मोहतरम असातिज़ा, वालिदैन और बच्चों, हमने इसी तरह कल पेज नंबर 11 और 12 की प्रैक्टिस की थी, जहाँ पे हमने सी लिखना सीखा था। बच्चों को आज सेम वैसे ही उसी मश्क के मुताबिक पेज नंबर 13 और 11 की मश्क करवाएं। रीड अलाउड द साउंड ऑफ सी। बच्चों ऊंची आवाज में हमने सी का साउंड पढ़ना है। हाउ वी विल गोइंग टू प्रोनाउंस सी? सी ख, सी ख। सी की आवाज कैसी है? ख, सी ख, सी ख। We will read aloud सी ख. Let's read aloud with me. सी ख, सी ख, cake. What is it? Cake. बच्चों read aloud cake. Read with me. सी ख, cake. ये क्या है? सी ख, cake. सी ख, cap. पिक्चर किसकी है? Cap. What is it? Cap. बच्चों read aloud with me. सी ख, cake. सी ख, cap. सी ख, cap. What is it? सी ख, cap. Read with me aloud. सी ख, cap. सी ख, car. What is it? Car. सी ख, car. Read aloud with me. सी ख, car. Children, read aloud. सी ख, car. Now we are going to learn this one. What is it? Corn. क्या है ये? Corn. सी ख, corn. What is it? सी ख, corn. बच्चों पढ़े ऊंची आवाज में। सी ख, corn. Teacher's note. Teach it well today with phonics and listen to the children with phonics by tomorrow. Teachers इनको phonics के साथ पढ़ें और बच्चों को कल phonics से सुने। General knowledge. Question number 1. When did Pakistan come into being? When did Pakistan come into being? Pakistan कब बना? Children, read aloud. When did Pakistan come into being? On 14 August 1947. Children, read aloud. When did Pakistan come into being? On 14 August 1947. पाकिस्तान कब बना? 14 अगस्त 1947 को. When did Pakistan come into being? Say aloud. On 14 August 1947. Conversation. Question number 1. How old are you? आपकी उम्र क्या है? How old are you? बच्चों how old are you? Now tell me the age of yours. क्या age है आपकी? 3 years. How old are you? 3 years. Read aloud with me. How old are you? 3 years. How old are you? 3 years. Now what is the date of what is your date of birth? Sorry, what is your date of birth? Children, what is your date of birth? So respected teachers, please mention the date of birth below here and learn according to the date of birth. Teachers यहाँ पे हर बच्चे की date of birth mention करें और उसी के according पढ़ाएं. What is your date of birth? Like 17 August 2005. What is your date of birth? 17 August 2015. Now we will start with poem. So children, read aloud. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, How I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle all the night, show me your little light. Dictionary words. What is it? Chin. ये क्या है? Chin. Read aloud with me. Chin. Where is your chin? Point on your chin. Keep your finger on your chin. Read aloud. Chin. ये क्या है? Chin. Now the second one is head. Put your hand on your head. Children, put your hand on your head. What is it? Head. What is it? Head. What is it? Head. Teacher's note. Make sure that all the students have learned all the questions and the dictionary words today with loud reading and then listen tomorrow positively. टीचर्स तमाम बच्चों को क्वेश्चंस और डिक्शनरी वर्ड्स अच्छे से याद करवाएं, ऊंची आवाज़ में सुने और कल इसी तरह दोबारा से इनसे सुने. Now we will start with the written word. Look at this. What is it? C. C. Kha. How we draw C? We will draw C like a half circle. 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 Now tell the name of the pictures. बच्चों पिक्चर का नेम बताएं जल्दी जल्दी से. What is it? Cake. What is it? Cake. ये क्या है? Cake. ये पिक्चर किसकी है? Cake. What is it? Cap. ये क्या है? Cap. बच्चों पढ़ें ऊंची आवाज में. Cap. Read aloud. Cap. What is it? ये क्या है? Corn. What is it? Corn. पिक्चर किसकी है ये? Corn की. क्या है ये? Corn. What is it? Corn. What is that? This one is car. Car. What is it? Car.